No, this video is not about Judas Priest rock song called the PainKiller. This video is about a delicious Tiki cocktail called, you guessed it right, the PainKiller. Now, this cocktail is really easy to make, and I'm gonna show you how. So the recipe for this cocktail calls for orange juice, pineapple juice, cream of coconut, and dark rum. Now, in this cocktail, I'm going to use this Tanduay rum. It's a dark rum distilled in the Philippines. So this is from the Philippines, and I think it's just appropriate since this is a Tiki cocktail, and this is from tropical island. So we're gonna use this one. So the recipe calls for 2 ounces of your dark rum, but you can add more depending upon how much pain you got. I'm gonna use this Tiki mug. Well, this guy looks like he's in so much pain. I don't know, but anyway. not with a optional mint leaves. Alright, there you have it. The PainKiller. Oh guys, this is really delicious. The PainKiller. Cheers.